Good morning, students. In this video we are going to solve the question number 3rd of the miscellaneous exercise on chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is complex numbers. Okay, so in this question it is given that reduce 1 upon 1 minus 4 iota minus 2 upon 1 plus iota into 3 minus 4 iota upon 1 plus iota to the standard form. Okay, so firstly we have to solve this particular portion of the question, that is 1 upon 1 minus 4 iota minus 2 upon 1 plus iota into 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. So when we solve this portion of the question, we solve it by using different methods, by LCM method or cross multiplication method. So I use here a cross multiplication method. When we cross multiply these terms, 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota into 1, then minus 2 into 1 minus 4 iota upon 1 minus 4 iota into 1 plus iota. Then the remaining term 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Now it can be simplified as 1 ones are 1 plus 1 into iota, that is iota, minus 2 ones are 2, then minus minus plus, and 2 fours are 8 iota upon 1 into 1 plus iota, then minus 4 iota into 1 plus iota. Here we distribute these terms, and the remaining term 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota is written as it is. Now 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, and these are the like terms, and this is O plus, this is also plus, and 8 iota plus iota equal to 9 iota, and we put here the sign of the greater term. Now we distribute this 1 ones of 1 plus 1 into iota, that is iota, then minus 4 iota ones are 4 iota, and minus plus minus 4 iota into iota, 4 iota square, 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Now again minus 1 plus 9 iota upon 1 minus plus iota minus 4 iota, then it which is equal to 4 minus 3 iota, then minus 4, and we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, so we can write here in place of iota square minus 1. Now remaining term 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Now minus 1 plus 9 iota, we can multiply this by 3 minus 4 iota, and this is equal to 1, and this term changes to 4 1 to 4 minus plus, that is plus 4 plus 1 5 minus 3 iota, which is multiplied by 5 plus iota. Now we have to change these terms, again distribute these terms, minus 1 into 3 minus 4 iota, and then plus 9 iota into 3 minus 4 iota, 5 into 5 plus iota, then minus 3 iota into 5 plus iota, minus 3, then minus minus plus, and 4 iota 1 are 4 iota, plus 9 3s are 27 iota, then plus minus minus, and 4 9s are 36 iota square. The denominator becomes 5 5s are 25 plus 5 into iota 5 iota, minus 3 5s are 15 iota, and minus plus minus, and 3 iota into iota 3 iota square. Now we have to put the value of iota square, which is minus 1, and simplify this equation. Minus 3, and the like terms, minus 4 iota plus 27 iota becomes equal to 31 iota, and minus 36 into iota square, which is minus 1, divided by 25 plus, then it will change it to minus, because minus 15 iota plus 5 iota becomes minus 10 iota, and then minus 3 iota square, which is equal to minus 1, then minus 3 plus 31 iota, and 36 1 are 36, minus minus plus. Now 25 minus 10 iota, and minus minus plus 3 1 are 3. Now it is changed to minus 3 plus 36 equal to 33 plus 31 iota upon 25 plus 3 28 plus minus 10 iota. Now for changing it to the standard state, we have to rationalize the denominator, because in the standard form we have to change it into a plus iota b terms. So we have to rationalize it. 33 plus 31 iota upon 28 minus 10 iota into 28. Simply we have to multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means if there is negative, then we have to put in place of negative positive. Then 10 iota divided by 28 plus 10 iota. Now the denominator becomes identity, that is a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, means 28 square minus 10 iota square, and the numerator becomes 33 into 28 plus 10 iota, and plus 31 iota into 28 plus 10 iota, which is changed into denominator. So when we multiply 33 by 28, we get 924 plus 33 multiply 10, we get 330 iota, and plus 31 iota into 21, 31 iota into 28 becomes equal to 863, and iota plus 31 tens are 310, and iota square, and 28 square, which is equal to 784, minus 10 square, which is 100, and iota square, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, so when we add the like terms 924, these are the like terms 330 iota plus 863 iota. So 3 plus 0 3, and 6 plus 3 equal to 9, and 8 plus 3 equal to 11 iota. Then plus 310, and the value of iota square is minus 1, and here 784, and minus minus plus, and 100 1 the 100, which is changed to 884, 884, and the numerator 924 plus 100 1193 iota, and this will becomes minus 310. Now when we subtract these two terms, we get 614 plus 1193 iota divided by 884. So 31 multiplied 28, which is equal to 868, and when 868 plus 330 iota equal to 8 plus 0 8, that is 1198. Now if we see here, we can take 2 as common from numerator and denominator. When we take common 2, the term change into 307 plus, and this is changed into 5, then 999 iota divided by 2 into 4 and 2, then 2 and 2 cancel out each other, and the last term will becomes 307 plus 599 iota upon 442. Again, it can be written as 307 upon 442 plus iota 599 upon 442. This is the standard form of the given equation. Here a, which is equal to 307 upon 442, and b, which is imaginary part, which is equal to 599 upon 442. So this is all about this question.